let us see how to draw a parallel line through the point to given line. Okay, now for that purpose, draw first one line over here, any line like this. Okay, and give the arrows, give the label L. Now I want to draw a line which is parallel to line L from point, say suppose here I am taking any point, say P. Okay, so for that purpose what you are going to do, now here two methods are there. First method I am explaining by using the perpendicular. Okay, for that purpose what you have to do, take your compass, take certain distance in your compass, put it on P like this. Okay, and draw one arc on the line towards the right and left of your point P like this. Okay, after drawing these arcs, just change the distance, put your compass on the intersecting points. If you want, you can increase bit distance and draw one arc here and change the position and draw another arc from here and intersect it. Okay, so here you got intersected point. Now this is the intersected point and this fixed point you have to join. Okay, how to join? Now just follow the same procedure, match the point and the scale, and here also match the point and the scale. See here. Okay, and now draw the line. So this is a perpendicular drawn to line L. Now you have learnt in 9th standard, if perpendicular drawns to the given line, all that perpendiculars are parallel to each other. Okay, now here we have drawn one perpendicular. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw a perpendicular at point P. Okay, let us see how it is. Now take certain distance in your compass again. Okay, take certain distance in your compass, put your compass over here like this. Okay, and draw one arc above P, one arc below P. Simple procedure. Okay, one arc above P and below P. First you have to draw perpendicular bisector, and then now take again increase certain distance in your compass, put your compass on the intersected points here, and then draw one arc towards left and towards right. Okay, now change the position, put your compass here, draw, intersect the previous arcs like this. That's all. Now we are going to draw a line which is parallel to line L passing through point P. Now see here like this. Okay, so match the points carefully. If you want, you can put scale like this and join it. Okay, so whatever position possible to you, draw it. So like this you have to draw. Okay, so I'll repeat the procedure. First draw line L, take any point P, put your compass on P, draw the arcs on the line, and from these arcs you have to draw arcs below line L. Okay, now join this intersected point with the fixed point P and draw a line. Okay, and now you have to put your compass on P, draw one arc above P and below P, and from this point you have to draw one arc towards left, towards right. Change the position, put your compass over here and intersect these arcs. So you will get a collinear points, and these collinear points you have to join. So you will get a line, say suppose line M, which is parallel to line L. Okay, so this is the first method, how to draw a perpendicular, how to draw a parallel lines to a given line through a given point. Okay, now second method. Again take one more line. This is the simple method. Draw any line, say suppose line L. Now take any point, say suppose P here. Okay, now through this P again we are going to draw a parallel line. But how to draw it? For that purpose what we are going to do, we are not going to draw any perpendicular over here. we are using the angle method. How? Now draw any angle from P to the line here. Okay, join this one here as say suppose PM. Okay, now you are going to use your compass. What you are going to do, put your compass on M like this. Okay, put your compass on M, draw the full arc like this, which will intersect PM as well as line L. Can you see here, full arc. Okay, now then don't change the distance of your compass, put your compass on point P like this, and whatever position you are having, draw one arc like this complete. Okay, I'll repeat it. First I have drawn one arc which will intersect MP as well as line L complete. Don't change the distance, put your compass on P and draw the arc, bigger one. Okay, now take the measure of angle with the help of your compass. Say like this. This is called taking the measure of angle. See here. Okay, can you see? See here, like this you have to take the measure. And after taking the measure, what you are going to do? Now you are going to put your compass on this arc which is drawn through point P and draw the arc which will intersect this bigger arc like this. Finish. Okay, we got one intersected point. This intersected point and this point P we are going to join, and then you are going to get a line which is parallel to the given line. I will give you what is the reason for that. Like this, you have to draw a line, say suppose line N. Okay, now why do you think that these two lines are parallel to each other? If you see, we have taken the congruent angles. See, this measure angle is equal to this measure angle. So these two are alternate angles, correct? They are forming alternate angles. So you know the property of alternate angles. When the alternate angles are congruent, means the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so like this we have drawn the lines parallel to any line through any point, but using two methods. One is perpendicular method, second is angle method. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay.